Is your Roborock Qrevo acting like it's forgotten where it lives? You've seen it, right? It approaches the base, tries to climb, slips, and then just gives up. It's not just being dramatic. There's a secret reason why your robot has suddenly become homeless. Here's the real did you know for you. This isn't just a software glitch. The problem is usually a triple threat: a faulty battery combined with a broken ramp and base bottom cover. If that ramp is cracked or the cover is warped, your robot loses the traction it needs to climb home. If you ignore these cracks and power drops, your Roborock Qrevo won't just be unemployed. It'll end up with a dead battery and dirty mops that smell like a wet gym bag left in the car. Yikes! But don't worry. RoboCare has the parts and the plan to fix it. At RoboCare, we replace those faulty batteries with 100% genuine parts. We don't just patch the symptoms, we restore the soul of your robot. Our technicians ensure every clip is snapped, every sensor is calibrated, and every climb is effortless. You get your robot back in showroom condition, and more importantly, you get your clean floors back without the headache. When you trust RoboCare, you're not just getting a repair, you're getting peace of mind. No more base not found errors, no more manual charging, and definitely no more frustration. Look at that. After a RoboCare refresh, this Roborock Qrevo docks smoother than a plane on a runway. Smooth docking, perfect charging, and zero error beeps. That's the RoboCare difference. So stop staring at your homeless robot and let us bring it back to life. Contact RoboCare today. Visit our website or call us to schedule your repair.